festivity now on behalf of the district director, our friend Dr. Kwahu Easter. Now about Kwahu Easter festivities, now and who say or our preparation towards these Easter festivities. No, yeah, because people are coming from all over the world. No, they are making, they are sensitizing all assemblymen. Because they are mouthpieces of their communities, they are going back to their communities to liaise with the health workers to do education. We are also using information van to do more education on HIV/AIDS. Because of COVID-19, though COVID-19 has reduced drastically, we've realized that most people, we are not talking about the dangers of HIV/AIDS. And now that the youth are coming, some practicing indiscriminate sex, we are trying to educate the general public to abstain from indiscriminate sex. Also, to do their best. If it happens that they go into any sexual relationship, then intercourse, then they have to use condom. So that's the education we are giving. And also during the Easter festivities, our focus are all over, support from the National Level Assembly, District Assembly. We are doing our best to do Know Your Status campaign. Aside that, COVID-19 activities, we know we are also on it, and then vaccinating people, the general public. So we are all areas, vantage points. We have workers there, vaccination team that will conduct vaccination, COVID-19 vaccination exercise, booster dose, first dose, second dose. So we have enough vaccines from the region, and then we are also preparing to support in the health activities in the municipality. Places like Nyakwaba, at the let me say Eastern Palace, Obo, all joints. That paragraph, we have so many places that the nurses will be there. We form about 25 teams.